Patience 12. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the important role of doctors and their impact on their patients. It is important for Muslims to understand a simple thing which can aid them with patiently facing destiny and the difficulties it brings. A person happily takes a bitter medicine which their doctor prescribes, fully trusting in their knowledge, experience and choice, all the while believing that their doctor knows what is best for them. This is true even though they are only human and prone to errors. Yet many Muslims fail to place this same level of trust in Allah, the Exalted, even though His knowledge is infinite and His choice is always the wisest. Muslims should try to accept destiny and the troubles it brings, just like they take the bitter medicine without complaining, knowing it is best for them. They should understand that the troubles and difficulties they face are best for them, even if they do not understand or observe the wisdoms in them, just like they do not understand the science behind the bitter medicine they happily take. Chapter 9 at Tawbah, verse 51.
Say, nothing will ever befall us except what Allah has destined for us. He is our protector. So in Allah let the believers put their trust.
Even though, in most cases, they will never understand the science behind the bitter medicine they take, a time will certainly come, whether in this world or in the hereafter, when the wisdom behind the bitter difficulties they faced will be revealed to them. So a Muslim should anticipate this time patiently, knowing all will be revealed shortly. Pondering deeply over this can increase one's patience when dealing with difficulties. Patience involves avoiding complaining verbally or through one's actions and maintaining one's sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings He has granted them in ways pleasing to Him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.